first thing that we need to encourage for many people in the organization is to love their job. There's a need for us to behaviorally change the mindset of Filipinos towards financial success. Ang kalaban ng pera ay pero. So it's all about the changing of mindset. The mental model need to be shifted. Nasa isip lang yan. Shift that behavior, shift that culture. Take them into, thinking rationally and making them decide based on reason and logic kung ano ang makakabuti. And each and every one of us can really make a difference and really mark an impact. An impact that will help your community where you operate, an impact generally within the country that you can help. With all this, everyone, the question will be, are you going to do it now na or saka na? Maraming salamat at magandang umaga sa ating lahat.